Select Equipment and Exercise. Remember, there's a video tutorial available to see how to do the drill and where to set the markers. Choose the load used for this exercise. Velo-K will always measure the movement speed in the concentric stage of the exercise, the velocity loss at which you wish to be warned. If necessary, choose which phase will imply the beginning of the exercise, whether the eccentric or the concentric one. You can choose whether the analyzed movement will be vertical or horizontal. When the marker is detected, it will turn white. You can now start the exercise. During the drill, the app will indicate you the average speed of each repetition. Also, you'll be able to see the speed difference within your best and worst repetitions. Ask the subject being evaluated to stop whenever you wish to finish the exercise. You will now be able to view on your device's screen the maximum speed obtained, velocity loss, the generated power, and total time of the exercise. If you wish, you can delete the unwanted series. You can also log personal remarks and values within the rating of perceived exertion.